how to add quiz to Wix website. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your site settings, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on online programs. So you're gonna have to simply go to your site dashboard. So let's go to my dashboard, and then here we're gonna have to look for online programs. So let's see what it is. Catalog, then we have here blog, app, site, and then we have here programs. As you can see, loyalty program, then we have marketing, analytics, and we're gonna have to simply go to, let's see, so we're gonna have to go to our site dashboard, and then here we're gonna have to look for online programs. So let's type in online programs, and then what you're gonna have to do next, so let's click on show more results, and then here we have forms and submissions. And basically here you're gonna be able to create a form, and we can make this as a quiz. So as you can see, we can simply upload, and you can add the single choice, multi-choice. So you can simply click on this, and then here you can simply choose what is 1 plus 1, and then you're gonna have to add the options 2 or 3, and then here you're gonna have to simply choose so let's see here, so required field, so this is important. Then simply click on save, and then what you're gonna have to do next, so it's gonna look something similar to this. So you're gonna have to simply add it to your website. So in order to do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to edit here, then go to settings, and then here, so as you can see, this will be available on your dashboard. So here we should click on add fields. So as you can see, pages, roles, etc. And now basically that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.